Arthur, at near the lighthouse.
I, Arthur, I am way more shinier than you. I've been on the island before you have.
What does this have to do with anything? I have important jobs to do. And I don't need to hear you bragging. Good day.
Wait, you can't just leave.
Well, guess what? I am. Good day. Arthur!
Can't just leave. I am the most important engine around here. I do all the jobs.
Bye, James. Arthur!
I'm going to need a plan to get back at Arthur. Aha, maybe if I go on the same track that he was on. That will teach him a lesson. So James backed up. He knew exactly how to get back at Arthur. Don't worry, Arthur. Soon, you will be demolished. Where are you, Arthur? When James got up the hill, he soon realized that the viaduct had collapsed. Oh no! James tried stopping. Oh no! But it was too late. Oh! Help! I'm almost off the rails! Somebody! Help! Soon, Arthur knew that James had his accident, and he came to the rescue. Don't worry, James. I'll save the day.
Don't worry, James. I'm coming to save you.
Please help me, Arthur.
Don't worry, James. I got you.
Oh no, I'm tipping. I'm off the rails.
Soon, Arthur pulled James back up with all his might.
Maximum power. Oh! Ow!
Soon, James was back on the rails.
Thank you, Arthur.
No problem. They really need to fix the viaduct. I have no idea how it collapsed. Now, once again, James was happy. And James knew not to be mean to Arthur or anyone else.